Yes, Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your teacher, Ma'am Samina Ali with Pakistan Studies. Yes, boys, what we are going to do today, today we are going to do MCQs for your examination, the revision of the MCQs. First of all, we will do the exercise. Even we have done this exercise there in the classes, also in regular classes. So once more here we will do. But it is not necessary that the MCQs just to come from the exercise, from inside of the chapter. The MCQs they can come there in your examination. So do not ignore the chapter, read the chapter thoroughly. It is chapter number 4 today we are doing. Yes boys, exercise, the first MCQ, it is choose correct answer of the following. And the first MCQ, when did India stop headworks of Pakistan Canal? It is the correct option written over here, B, 1st April 1948. The ones they have not done yet, so they can do also over here now. Then the second MCQ, when Indus Basin Treaty was made? It is 1960. Third option, C option, who presided over the first session of Constituent Assembly of Pakistan? It is Seal Quaid-e-Azam. The correct option. And the fourth MCQ is written over here, how much was the distance between East and West Pakistan? So it is 1600 kilometer. The D option is correct. Written over here. We are moving on next page. The MCQs are over here also, you can see. And I'm reading out also over here, on what position Liaquat Ali Khan was appointed after the establishment of Pakistan? It is Prime Minister, D option. Sixth MCQ, when Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah died? Very easy, 11 September 1948. The correct option, A, is here. Seventh MCQ, how many princely states were in British India before independence? It is 560. C option is correct. 8th MCQ, where the Kashmir issue was presented on 1st January 1948. So B, Security Council, correct option. 9th, when objective resolution was passed? It is 12th March 1949. 10th MCQ, which constitution was enforced in the country on 23rd March 1958? It is first, A option is correct. The first constitution, it was enforced in 23rd March 1956. 11th MCQ, when first martial law was imposed in the country? It is 7th October 1950. Again A option is correct. Now 12th MCQ, when the basic democracy system was adopted? It is D option, October 1959. Now 13 MCQ, who enforced the Muslim Family Ordinance? It is General Ayub Khan, D option. 14th MCQ, who was the opponent of Ayub Khan in the presidential election of 1956? It is Miss Fatima Jinnah, B option is correct. Now we are moving toward next page. MCQs are over here also. 20 MCQs are here in exercise. So few MCQs are here in page 92. Also, so 15 MCQ is written here. In which country Tashkent conference was held? It is Uzbekistan, D option. Now 16 MCQ, which party was formed in 1967? It is Pakistan People's Party, B option. 17 MCQ, when second martial law was imposed in the country? It is C option, 25th March 1969. 18 MCQ, when general elections were held in the country on the basis of adult franchise? It is 1970, D option. Now 19 MCQ, when Bangladesh came into being? It is 16 December 1971. Now 20th MCQ is written over here, when Bangladesh was accepted by Pakistan? It is February 1974. Boys, exercise MCQs are done over here, as I said, not just from exercise, from inside of the book, and many topics are here in the chapter, they are excluded, but you will not ignore the excluded topics for your MCQs. The MCQs, they can come from excluded topics also. So full chapter you will read out thoroughly for your MCQs. Even the excluded topics also you will read out for your MCQs, I'm telling you. Yes boys, here now this video is summarized video. The detailed video or the detailed lecture, it was there in online classes. So do not ignore your online classes. Take regularly your online classes, because the detailed lecture or the detailed topics, they are there in online classes. Yes boys, here as chapter number 4, it is written here, history of Pakistan. As I said, full chapter from start you will read out for your MCQs. Here little bit the important the thing I want to show you, that every line, everything, they are important in the chapter, but the lines with the dates and with the figures, they are more important, as if we take as our MCQs. Yes boys, a second paragraph, if I am reading it out, for example, I am telling you about the importance of the MCQs. See the things they are written over here, I am reading it out. According to division of asset by British government between Pakistan and India, rupees 75 crore came as the share of Pakistan. See, such an important thing it is written here, but unluckily only rupees 20 crore were paid to Pakistan initially. Besides, military assets and office records etc. was due to be shifted from India to Pakistan, but Pakistan was deprived of her full assets due to the negative attitude of Indian government. Because of these things, the government of that time was perplexed. See, so many things are, they were not just the figures or the dates will come there in MCQs, many other important things they can come there in your MCQs. So read out the chapter very much thoroughly, line by line, for many information, for many things to get for your MCQs. As here if the third paragraph, again I am reading it out, many things, see, except the dates, the many more information they are written here, so they can come there in your examination or in your objective type paper. Yes boys, an important issue for the new state was that of 1st April 1948. See, such an important date it is written over here, when Indian government closed the headworks of Pakistan Canal. It is also a part of your exercise MCQs. Without any prior information, we destroyed crops in Punjab. Supply of water was restored after interim agreement, but Pakistan approached the United Nations for the permanent solution, and at last, with the help of World Bank, the Indus Basin Treaty was brought between the two countries in 1960. As per agreement, the eastern rivers Satluj, Beas and Ravi came into the share of India, while three western rivers Chenab, Jhelum and Indus were given to Pakistan. See the rivers name they are given, which were the rivers they were given to India, which were the rivers they were given to Pakistan. So like these information they can come also there in your MCQs. The canal water dispute was solved enough with this agreement. So again boys, I am here telling you it is the summarized form, full chapter. Now here we have not covered, you will cover by your own of reading of your chapter fully for your objective. Yes boys, so do not ignore your online classes and do hard work. Yes, thank you. Allah Hafiz.